In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your messages on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then tap right here at the top right corner at that icon. Then you will be taken to the page where you can easily find all your conversations on Instagram. You can just swipe up to scroll down to see your previous conversations. Then you can get into any conversation to see the messages. And if you want to send new one, you can easily do so in that way. That's how you can easily check your Instagram messages. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.